Hey everyone, Andy here from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and today we're diving into an exciting new addition to home security, the Leviewlity Wireless Home Security Camera. This isn't just another security camera, it's a budget-friendly, feature-packed solution for anyone who wants to protect their home without breaking the bank. So what can you expect from this video? We're going to go through it all: unboxing, setup, app usage, real-world testing in day and night, and my overall thoughts on its performance. And of course, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to grab your own camera. So guys, let's start off with doing an unboxing. Starting with the unboxing, Leviewlity has done a great job here. The packaging is simple, but has everything you need right here in the box. The camera, USB-C charging cable, the mounting bracket, screws, and a monitoring sticker for that extra layer of deterrence. What struck me immediately is the quality of the build. For something in this price range, it feels like a premium product. The camera has good weight to it as well. It's solid, but not too heavy, and it's got a sleek, compact design that wouldn't be eyesore wherever you place it. I'm always conscious about budget products that seem too good to be true, but right out of the box, the Leviewlity camera looks and feels reliable. And here's a nice bonus: the camera is IP66 Waterproof. This means it can handle rain, dust, and harsh weather conditions, which is perfect for anyone wanting to mount it outside. One thing to note though is there's no SD card included. This isn't a deal breaker, but if you're leaning toward local storage, make sure you grab an SD card. That said, you do get 30 days of free cloud storage right off the bat, which is a huge plus and something you don't often see with budget-friendly cameras. It's a nice touch from Leviewlity, and it gives you time to test the camera thoroughly before deciding on your storage preferences. Onto the setup, and this is where Leviewlity camera really shines. The thing is, it's truly plug and play. Once you download the app, setting up is a breeze. Just press the sync button on the back, follow instructions to pair it with your 2.4 gig Wi-Fi network, and you're connected. Had up and no running in less than 10 minutes, and I'm no tech wizard. Up and running in no time at all. Actually, let me show you now how to set it up. Let's start by setting the camera up ourselves. So we've got the camera just here. What we're gonna do is go to the camera here and go to the Prodigy Tech app, as you can see on here. There you go, and there you go, add a camera. So go and add a camera device, and we'll add the wireless Leviewlity that's on there. So you can see on there, you go through the different instructions, go next. You're gonna have the 2.4G Wi-Fi network, make sure that's in place. And then you hold down the button there to sync it. So hold down for 1, 2, 3, and it starts flashing just there, as you can see with the flash. Press next. You're gonna scan the QR code on there as well. So get the camera. Just like that.
Connecting to network.
Connecting
Please
to network.
Wait.
So there you go, so it's connecting at the moment, the camera, and that's how easy it is. It's just literally plug and play. Go next, and your camera's connected. Now, if you have a look here on the camera, as I'm doing, we'll go look at the picture screen. And again, it's set up on your app straight away. So what I love about this, it is so easy to be able to use up. So here we go. So here's the camera, and I'm looking at myself here. So I'm looking at you guys. That's my camera. Yeah, so as you can see up there, where the pool area is. So yeah, very, very, very good. Stop the camera. So as you can see, I'm no tech wizard, but it was very, very easy to set up. The app was actually quite easy as well. The app itself is quite easy. Let's control every aspect of the camera, from viewing footage to setting up detection zones. One thing I noticed right away was that the app offers customizable settings for different areas of your home, like garage, yard, or front door. Make it super versatile depending on what you want to monitor. Now guys, let's go and set it up outside. I want to set up at the front where my garage is. I've got boats and stuff there. I want to make sure I get coverage in it, so let's go and do that just now. As you can see, I set the camera up outside. It didn't take very long to set the camera up. Very, very straightforward, but now I want to calibrate the camera to kind of see where the view is going to be. So you go up there and using the app, so the app's connected to the camera so I can see through the phone where I'm looking. What I want to do is I want to grab the camera and change the view. Now, as you can see here, the camera's just loading up. What I want to do is make sure that I get coverage to stop anyone jumping over the fence, for example, taking the boat, getting access to the house. So as you can see, I've got the view of the road there and the view towards the front door. So what I need to do is change the camera accordingly. So as you can see, you move the camera to get the right angle. Now the great thing is, because it's got some good coverage, I need to lift it up slightly more. So there I'm getting more of the pass. I want to make sure I don't get too much on the road as well. So see there, so there I am. Now we're going to go and talk about the zones shortly, about how I can lock those zones off. But there I am getting access to the house. So it works very well. So you can now see we've now set the camera up the top there. What the camera can do now is get footage all the way down here, so we can stop people jumping over the fence, coming through the gate, stealing the boat. Now I want to look at different features. So to start with, we can talk to the actual camera. So we press the button there. So press the button there. So can you hear me? So can you hear myself in the microphone up there? So it's got two-way talking, which is great. What else do we have here? So we've got the to record. So we're allow it to record media files. So what we do is we want to actually record it while things are actually happening, which you can do. So we recorded just then. We recorded the file. We can also see what's going on actually outside the gate here as well. So you can see outside there as well. What I might do is I might move it more towards this way just so we can see in. But it's good you can see if people are coming in the fence or outside the fence too. We'll see people coming outside or inside the fence too. Now let's go and look at the automations we could set up. So we've got the camera on and off. Got the general setting here as well. We've got video setting. Again, you can mirror it, you can rotate it. You can do night vision as well, which we'll do as auto. We'll go and test that out later, show you guys exactly what that looks like. Detection mode. Let's do detection area. And we want it to be, let's go and set this as the area. We don't want to be doing the detection area outside there because we'll pick up people as they're walking through. So move up there, move down there. And shortly, guys, we'll test out this detection area as well and see how effective it is in detecting the area. So there we are. So we've done that, confirm. So detection sensitivity, I'll go medium at this stage, 7 to 10 meters. Let's do that. Let's go high. Let's go alert, what's going to be? At this stage, let's do a record a video, we'll do a siren, we'll do that as well. So we'll start with, you've got two detection modes, away from home and with home. We could switch that off as we actually go outside too, which is really good. And now let's go and have a look at, okay, so as you can see, the camera quality there is really good too. Now I can zoom in on myself. Let's go this way. So you can move the camera around and I can zoom in on myself. So, hello, okay. As you can see, it's very, very good for the budget for this camera as well. Yeah, good quality. And let's go and have a look at, and you can also take a photo if you want. So as you can see just then, for me, security is no joke. The videos, keeping areas like my garage entryways is a priority. Having a camera like this one with such an easy setup and versatility feels like a major win, as you could just see. Now let's talk about the camera quality because this is where a lot of budget cameras fall short, but not this one. The Leviewlity boasts a 2K HD resolution, which gives you a clear image day or night. It's got a 140-degree wide-angle lens, which means you get a lot of coverage. I set mine up above the garage as you saw. It captures the entire driveway and beyond. It's exactly what I need for my peace of mind. The night vision on the camera is a real highlight as well. Unlike many other budget options that switch between black and white at night, the Leviewlity camera offers full color night vision. I was generally impressed by the amount of detail it captured in low light. You can see colors and finer details that would normally be lost in monochrome night vision, which is super helpful for identifying people or vehicles if something suspicious happens after dark. So let's now demonstrate how the camera works in different lights. So here I am in the backyard with just the two lights in the back patio. As you can see, it gives a good combination of color. It looks really good. You can see me doing my dance there and having a good time because the camera works very well. So this is good. So you can switch it lights on and it still looks like it's daylight outside. So it gives good depth of color, as you can see. I'm going to switch it on now and try with the lights off. There you go. Switch your lights off. You can see it's black and white now. So it's a great look. Now I'm going to come out and show you guys how the depth perception looks. So there I am. As you can see, I look very, very clear with that. You can see me waving, see me dancing. Now that's about 10 meters away as well. So it's really good. You can see me, you can see my features, dancing, having fun. So it picks up both in natural light on, and also black and white. So there I am dancing and waving. So it's really, really good. I'm going to go switch on the spotlight now to show you guys what it looks like. So here's the spotlight switched on. This is a spotlight from the camera, and as you can see, it really lights up the place as well. So anyone coming out will be spotted straight away. So yeah, great light and great camera. Now I just want to show you as well how bright the actual spotlight is when you use it out the back. So there's the camera, and put the spotlight on there, and as you can see, look at that dazzling light. So the spotlight really does fill up the whole area, and there it is there. And if you go back and have a look, see that's all the light there being lit up. So it's a great job, the spotlight on coming on and making noise. And as you can see as well, with the actual zones as well, you walk out there and it captures you just as you walk onto the street as well. It's very, very good. Now after some real world testing, I'd say this night vision is one of the camera's standout features, especially for the price. As you can see, I tried it in my garage, could pick me up quite easily, tried at the front door, and it worked very, very well. It provided consistent, clear images. So knowing I can rely on this, watch over my home day and night, has really added to my confidence in the product. Let's get into smart detection features because they haven't skimped here. The camera uses AI-powered detection to differentiate between people, pets, and vehicles. So you get bombarded with alerts every time a tree branch moves. I can confirm that it works well. It alerted me only when I picked up meaningful movement, which saves you from those annoying false alarms. It's a huge plus, especially if you're placing the camera around somewhere with a lot of natural light activity, or a lot of natural activity. Another feature I love was a two-way audio. This lets you communicate through the camera, which is handy if you're away and need to speak to someone at your door, whether it's giving the delivery driver instructions or warning off a potential intruder. The quality of audio is surprisingly clear on both ends, which isn't something I usually expect from a budget-friendly camera. For me, this adds a lot of value, as it makes the camera feel interactive, not just passive. Again, the Leviewlity app offers a solid experience. It's clean, intuitive, and gives you full control over the camera settings. You can adjust the motion sensitivity, set detection zones, check battery life, and switch between live and recorded views easily. The app also allows you to access cloud storage, which we spoke about earlier, where you can get it free for the first 30 days and then have ongoing subscription costs if you want. The camera supports SD cards up to 128 gig, though you have to provide your own. So after testing around different parts of my home, what's the verdict? Honestly, the Leviewlity Wireless Home Security Camera exceeded my expectations. For something that costs a fraction of what your premium brands charge, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Here it's well built, easy to install, and offers top-notch features like 2K resolution, full color night vision, and smart AI detection. So guys, I've really enjoyed using it. And the great thing is, one aspect I liked as well is a 9,000 mAh battery. So Leviewlity claims it can last up for a year on one single charge, which is impressive. It means less hassle with recharging and more confidence that your camera will stay active and reliable. And also the camera only acts when it needs to, so that means that it saves the camera when it's using it. And with IP66 waterproofing, you know it's built to withstand whatever the weather throws at it. So guys, what's my final verdict? If you're looking for an affordable, effective, and easy to use camera, I say this is a fantastic job. It's a great fit for different environments. Whether you're monitoring the garage, backyard, or front door, it adapts seamlessly to various needs. From unboxing to setup to real testing, it delivers across the board. The night vision and smart detection make it stand out its price range, and the two-way radio gives that extra edge for interactive home security. So guys, and you can't beat the price for it. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in adding this camera to your home security setup, make sure to check links below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Stay safe and keep your home secure. From Andy at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.